A lot of seawalls, a lot of times are known as bulkheads, and so they have to put up with a large amount of, just the incessant waves that hit them over and over and over again. First of all, there's environmental things to consider when you're building a seawall. You need to make sure you're not hurting the environment. But of course, you want to build something that's going to be robust and hold up. Rockeries actually work well for that because it's a natural material. Everything is natural. You're not pouring any cement. There's not chemicals leaching out into the water. And typically, if it's a seawall, then we're bringing in the biggest stones we can and setting them in there, and it just creates a hardscape. And then those big angular shapes of the rock help break up the crash. So it's not just smacking a concrete wall, which is gonna it's gonna absorb a lot more force. And so a rockery is a good way to go. I think where it differs from a retaining wall is that it's more receiving an impact from the front as opposed to a weight from the back. Although a seawall is kind of doing both a lot of times, because you're both creating your yard behind it, but you're also taking into account the impact of the sea, the waves.